Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Bendy character, and this time I believe it's pronounced Bertrum Piedmont, or is it Piedmont? I'm not really sure. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and it's another Bendy character, so it's nice and strange. So we're gonna draw in his eyes first. I'm just gonna draw in one circle first. And then for his other eye, just kind of give the width of this eye, just come across the width of this eye. And then from here, I'm going to draw another circle for his other eye. So I'm just trying to give you the correct spacing for these two eyes. Okay, and then from there, we can draw in, I guess we can draw and finish up the eyeball. So I'm just going to draw one circle inside, a little dot, and then draw another circle around it. And I'm gonna make it a little bit wobbly. So that's pretty much for his eyes. And now let's draw in not the brow, but the eye socket area. So right here, come up from right here, curve up and then come down into the eye, and then we're gonna go up. So it's got really thick eye sockets right here. And then for this side, it's a little bit different. We're gonna start out this way, and curve down, come across the eyeball, and then come down. Right, so it's very strange looking. And then from here, let's finish up the rest of the face. We're gonna come down and draw his nose. So right here on the side, just come down, a little bracket, right in the corner of the eye, come down, come over slightly. Okay, so that's gonna be the wings of the nose. And then now we're just gonna connect it with a little bit of a curve. All right, and then let's come down and draw his mouth. So his mouth is really simple. I'm just gonna have him kind of slightly open. So just come down from the side of the nose. I'm gonna draw one curve going this way, and then one more going this way. And then for his lower lip, I'm just gonna draw one line right underneath there. And then let me shade this in real quick so we can see the mouth a little bit better. It'll also make it look a lot more creepy. Alright, and then from there we're gonna draw his mustache. So we're gonna come back up here right underneath the nose, draw one line, and then on this side we're gonna come out. So right here it ends a little bit early, and then we're gonna come down. And then once you have that, just kind of curve all the way around right above the mouth. And then I'm going to add in some lines like this at the bottom. And then just let me shade this in as well. Alright, so that's his mustache. And then for his lip, we can add in a little bit of detail here. Just kind of a couple of curves. Alright, so let's fill in the face before we add in too many details. So we're going to come back to the side here. Let's finish up the side of the face. So we're going to come down here. Down, and then we're going to curve in right around the nose area right here. And then on the other side, we're going to start up here. Come down. There's a bracket around the eye, and then we're gonna start here and just go out slightly. So there's the cheekbones, and then on this side here, we're gonna add one little bump. So right around here, and then now we're gonna come down, just kind of curve in. And then on this side it's asymmetrical, so we're gonna come in going out this way. So this kind of actually goes in, and then we'll come back out, just kind of curve it. And then right underneath here, we're just gonna draw one curve, one big curve all the way around. Alright, so that's this head shape. I know it's really weird. And then now let's finish up the top. So the top's a little bit easier. We're just gonna curve in on both sides. And then we'll just close it off with a nice round curve. And then for his hair, it's gonna be up here. So I'm just gonna start on this corner. I'm gonna make it a little bit wavy. Let's go all the way to the side, and yeah, let me shade this in as well. It's nice and simple, so we can add in the shading now. And then we'll add in all the cool little details. I haven't played Bendy, so I don't know what these characters are about, but I do like the Bendy designs. Alright, so to finish off, let's add in his ear. So around the corner of the eye, just come out, just add a little bracket all the way down to his cheekbones. And same thing on this side. Okay, yeah, now his face is coming about. So now let's add in his eyebrow. So his eyebrow, I'm gonna start up here. Just gonna draw a bunch of little lines like this, going down. And then right here on this side, same thing. Just gonna have it go down. Okay, so now we can add in all those little markings. It looks like it's dripping blood or something. Alright, so on his lip right here, on the corner, just kind of curve down. One big curve, and then another one coming down this way. And then this one's gonna go out. So it doesn't have to be exactly the same as long as you have some of these. Looks like blood's dripping out. And then let's start back up here in his eye, right underneath his eye. And then this one's gonna come down to the nose and just kind of go out. And then for his cheekbone here, just add a little bit of line here. One more small one down here. Okay, on this side here, right underneath the eye here, I'm gonna add in a little bit of shading like that. And then we're gonna curve all the way in to the eyeball. And then on this side here, right, this one's gonna go down past the nose and just kind of end it right around the mouth area. And then one more down here, we're gonna start here, just go out to the eye, and then come back up here, just kind of curve into the nose. Okay, and then let's see, let's add in a couple more marks down here on the chin. So this is the fun part, right? We're just adding in some details, make it look a little bit creepier. And then right in the middle here, on the side, some lines. Looks like it's got some more vertical lines up here. And then it's got a little vein here. Let's draw in the vein here. So curve. And come down here, just kind of curve like that. And then one more this way, so it looks like these veins are popping out. And that is it for this very strange looking character in Bendy. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.